See the path coming up right through the heart of our viewing area and then tracking off to the north and east. So what to expect? Have had some decent rain so far. More areas of rain to come through off and on during the day today. Finalized totals, most areas at least about 2 inches, but there will be some areas, especially south and eastern Richmond, that get 5, 6, 6.5 inches of rain or so. It all depends on where you are. The winds sustain 15 to 30, some gusts possibly near or over 40 in the metro with some higher gusts near the coast. And thanks to the fact that the ground's getting saturated now, some of these gusts, even 25, 30, 35 miles an hour, is enough to bring down some weakened trees due to that saturated ground. So that's one thing we're going to be concerned about the rest of the day. Also, can't rule out a few isolated tornadoes, especially east of I-95. It's not a high risk by any chance, but we can't rule a few out. And then we have a lot of that coastal flooding with the storm surge. Here's the flood watch for the entire viewing area. Has some flood advisories across southeastern Virginia where the rain has actually totaled up quite a bit. Here's the tropical storm warning: eastern Virginia, northern neck, middle peninsula, down into Hampton Roads and the eastern shore. The eastern shore will have potentially some of the highest gusts during the day today. We also have a storm surge warning for eastern Virginia. That becomes a coastal flood warning a little bit farther inland. But essentially, as the winds come in, it pushes a wall of water against the coast, and that's above the normal level. And we throw waves on top of that. So there will be some sections at sea, water levels quite a few feet above normal in the inland areas. So flooding is going to be a major problem here in eastern Virginia during the day. As that area of low pressure, what's left of the tropical storm, tracks to the north, we'll see these batches of off and on rain heavy at times, but there will be some gaps in between there as well. The low pressure passes on by and heads to our northeast during the day tomorrow. May have a few leftover showers early in the morning, mostly north of I-64, but then we'll see a drying pattern come through. It'll still be kind of cloudy during the day tomorrow. And there's that marginal risk for maybe seeing a few isolated spin-up tornadoes during the day today. And the wind gusts will continue to increase a little bit for the next few hours, then start to relax going into this evening.